What is up, guys, and welcome back to another vlog. It is an absolute beautiful day outside right now. It is Saturday. If you are a car person and it's a Saturday morning, you should already know what we're about to do. That's right, we are going to jump off a bridge. That's what car people do. We like to jump off a bridge and then get a cold shock in the morning, like a shock to the body, kind of like when we're racing, the adrenaline. Yeah, obviously I'm just messing with it. We are off to Cars and Coffee. It is a perfect day. I have got my coffee. This is the Bulletproof coffee. I drink Bulletproof coffee. I really enjoy it. It's about $15 at Whole Foods. It's got all the protein that you need, so you don't even really need to take a protein shake. It's got so much protein, so much good antioxidants for you. Vitamins, it's great stuff. If you guys want a great coffee, go get Bulletproof coffee. We have about 5 minutes till we get there. We are meeting the bros there, all my car guys. So it's going to be fun as heck. We've got, I think, probably like 6 of us, 7 of us. I would take the Mini, but there's a reason that I'm not. You guys will learn that later. So either way, we are gonna be there in about 5 minutes. Super excited, especially for such a perfect day. Let's go get it. So about like 30 minutes we're here, nothing's going on, there's nobody out here, it's kind of just small, which we expected because we came early. And then all of a sudden everybody starts pulling in. One of the first cars to pull in is a Dodge Demon, and holy shit, it is unbelievable. The tires, 305s, drag tires, unbelievable. That car is insane. I've never seen such an amazing car before that I've absolutely loved as the Demon. It's crazy. So I was talking about getting the Hellcat or getting the regular base SRT, and I might have changed my mind. I don't know, but it is incredible and I really want one. So far we've got a pretty good turnout, surprisingly. Did not expect it to be this nice, but it's actually a pretty good turnout. Corey, what's your favorite car here?
Oh, my Mustang, duh.
Yours?
Well, no. Probably the Dodge Demon, honestly.
Oh, look at this. Look at this little thing. That's dope.
Please tell me it's on there. Please tell me it's on there. Do it. Oh my god. Come on.
Yes! Oh my god. Air suspension on the bug. That is awesome.
The Nürburgring racing.
Nürburgring sticker.
Dude, that just made me the happiest man alive.
I love it.
Oh my god.
Look at this beauty. You don't see these every day.
Oh, that's awesome.
I think somebody just got a new favorite car.
I wonder how low it can go.
Maybe that wasn't there. Maybe it was.
Kind of just been doing my own thing. Let's go over here and see what the EVL Motorsports gang is up to. As that Subi rips it out of here. What's up, gang? Say what's up to the vlog.
What's going on?
So much enthusiasm from you guys.
It's cold.
It's cold.
It's cold.
Not enough coffee.
You drank yours. You
I
should've
know, I
made
need
more.
more.
I want some.
Can't what you should do is throw a bunch of mud on your Subaru. Just all over it.
It's either I
Take
like
the
it
mud
really
out
clean
once.
or dude, that's what.
Apart?
Just go to one of the areas on Riverside and just do donuts.
No, he wants the roof rack that's on that orange one. I'm dealing with that.
You could not ask for a more beautiful day for Cars and Coffee. It's a little bit cold. It's about 30 degrees. But the sun is out, it is nice, it is warm. The turnout is actually really good for such a cold day. So literally the weather's perfect. So many nice cars here. I have to say my favorite would definitely be the Demon, although there's a really cool like model. I don't know much about really old classics, but there's a really cool classic here. I'm sure you guys saw that, but there's so many different types of cars. I definitely think my favorite's the Demon. I'm a big fan of the F-Type, always like the F-Type, so definitely a fan no matter what of the Demon, but
it's a good turnout. It's a great day. Able to hang out with my gang, EVL. It's always fun with us. Saturdays are for the boys. All right, guys, we're officially going to end today's video right here. It's been a great morning, great way to hang out with some friends. Definitely want to do a quick video shoot for Cars and Coffee, so hope you guys enjoyed this montage that is about to follow. Either way, peace out, and remember, you create your own story.